Hello, content creators. My name is Paulo Logo. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Asali Digitals. Today we're going to talk about how to create pins for a Pinterest post. Let's begin. Well,
How to create a Pinterest pin. You come to Photoshop, go to File, New, then it will open up. Give it some time. Then you come here under the millimeters, choose pixels. Then you will have to confirm. Normally, these things you will find in the internet. As you can see here, Pinterest dimensions. That's 1000 by 1500 pixels. So you come here and under height we'll put 1000. Yes, 1000 by 1500. So it means the width is 1000. So drag this one here, put 1000. Then here you put a height of 1500. Just simple like that. Then you click create load. There. Now here you have your canvas. After having a canvas here, now you'll start creating uh, the Pinterest pin. Now I want us to use this thing called I want us to create a content involving how to create social media content that converts. So you come up with something creative here. You look at the uh, you come here and click the layers. So you will first come to T, that is text. To coming to T, uh, you click on T so that you activate the text in Photoshop. Then you come and draw the T here. Then it will bring you that. Then you come here and copy paste this one here. Just right click and copy. Then I'll come here and paste. Just paste like that. So you'll expand like so. Uh, then you'll press Control A so that you select everything. The text is so big, so you come here and remember you're still in the layers of text. You will choose maybe something like it is 23. Maybe you choose something like 18. Yeah. So we'll try to minimize it like so, like so, like so, like so, so that everything is visible. Now remember this is not writing, so you press this one step so that it becomes go down one. I'll click here so that it becomes centered like so. Yeah, things making a difference, so maybe you can just use the first one here like that. I will size it again, then press tick. Then I'll drag it like so, dragging it like so. Now, that's our first aspect. Then I'll just press Alt and and click the left button as I hold Shift so that I so that it duplicates. Then I'll do this. I'll double click so that I highlight. I'll come back and insert this one here, the first one. This one here. Think before you write. Then I copy. Then I'll come and paste here. So that will be the first one. Now since this font yeah, we'll just maintain this font for now. So I'll do the same for the other ones. Press Alt, then drag to double. Maybe I think there are three. So I'll double click to highlight. Come again here. Uh, then copy this. Copy. Paste it here. Then after pasting, I'll do the same for this. Make sure you tick this. Then double click again. Then you come here again. Then you choose the third one. Number 3, don't be lazy and opt for copying, like so. So I'll paste it like that. Also highlight this and copy it so that it can like so. So I'll take it like that. I'll align them like so, align them on one side, and align them on one side. Now, since it's so plain, I want to put a background. So I'll come here and click background here, then click so that I have another layer. I'll come here under this tab, this command here. I'll choose rectangle. Now, then I'll just come and highlight and draw like so. After that, you see it has become green because our color here is green. But if I want to switch it maybe to yellow, I'll just come here under swatches and make sure I choose swatches, or I'll just come to colors here. Maybe I want it to be red, and now if I click red, if you come to swatches, you find red. This pink, yeah, I will change that. But for right now, let's just use yellow, so that goldish or yellow, so that it becomes like that. After that, now I want to insert images. So what will I do? I normally use Pixabay. You just come to Pixabay here. You come to Pixabay. You see the first one is thinking, so I'll choose somebody who's thinking. Now if you come to Pixabay, you'll write thinking, then you go to vectors. Here you'll choose vectors, vector graphics. So you'll choose, remember Pixabay is a platform where you get free images and free pictures. So maybe look for a very good picture that resonates with our content, so that we use that for our content. Now, I think let me see. Maybe you can use this one. So I'll click it like that. I'll come here, then download it. Free download. Come here and free download. I think okay, it's loading. Come here and free download. So I'll just download like so. So after downloading, I'll come back to Facebook. No, sorry, I'll come back to Photoshop. I'll come back to Photoshop. Now, I want to create another layer. I'll just come to File. Uh, I'll come here, Place Embedded, like so. Downloads. I'll go to Downloads. Here it is. Then I'll place. Now you realize it is going at the back of this text. Here is the picture. So what will I do? I'll come to the layers. I'll just leave it like so, but make sure I tick here. After ticking, I'll try to reduce the object so that it comes here. At least it has the image there, like so. Now that is our first image. Now the next image is set goals and go for them. Now I'll come back to Pixabay again. This time I'll type goals like I'm doing so. Remember I'm still in the vectors. I'll look for a good picture. I think this one looks good. Maybe I click this one like so. I'll just come and download it here. I'll come and download it like that. I'll come here back in Photoshop again. I'll come to File again, Place Embedded. This time already I chose this under Downloads. I'll just come direct and choose it and place like so. Then I'll minimize it. I'll come here, minimize it like so. I'll come minimize it so that it comes adjacent to this one. I'll just take it. I'll make sure these aspects are aligned like that. I'll make sure they are aligned like that. Like that. I'll just play with the placeholder tag. These then I just check. Now, don't be lazy, so I'll look for something related with the keyword. Maybe don't be lazy and opt for copying and pasting. So I'll come to Pixabay again, look for something like maybe lazy. Let's see, it will bring us something of the sorts. Lazy or good. We found a good picture here. So I think let me see this. Let me see. Okay, I think this is more appropriate. I'll choose this one here. Then I'll just download it like so. After downloading it, I'll come to for Photoshop again. I'll come to File, uh, Place Embedded, like so. I'll come to Downloads again. Here it is. Then Place, like so. Just like always, I'll tick. Then come again. I'll try to minimize so that it fits here very well. Uh, then so that I'll try to tick again. I'll come and align here so that it becomes one line like so. Now I'll make sure the page is balanced like that. I'll make sure the page is balanced like so, like so, like so. So here we are. We've created our first pin interest pin. So I'll just come. What do I do? I'll come File, Save As. Then I'll come to save on your computer. Choose that. You'll give it a name. Let me just forget that. I normally use this, so I'll select this. How to write? I'll use this as the name. Uh, it seems this one is yeah. It seems we are hiding some words here. So let it disable. Maybe we tick. But now this time I'm going to use this one so that it changes. At least it becomes visible. I'll tick. So I'll use this. I'll use this one here. These headings as the saving name. Copy. Take here. So I'll come File. I'll come File Save As. Save on your computer. I'll copy the name here. Paste. Then I'll come to pin interest content. I created a folder called pin interest content. Uh, then I'll just save it in save as type Photoshop PSD format. I'll just save. No, I'll give it. I'll give it a name again. I don't know why it's not saving. Let's start again. File. Okay. File. Save as. Save on your computer. I'll choose the folder I want to save it to. Here it is. Then I'll paste it here. Let me just write it manually. How to write media content that converts. Then I just press enter. Then it will be saved. Now I normally save this into raw format so that later on I can come and make some changes. Now I'll save. Normally Pinterest allows different file formats like JPEG, PNG. So I'll come again, File, but this time I'll not go to Save As. This time I'll come to Quick Export as PNG. I'll choose this one here like that. Then it will bring up a dialog box like so. So already the name is captured. Then I'll just save like that. Now let's look at what we have just designed. I'll come where I saved it. That is here. I'll come here. Pin interest content. Then here it is. Here it is. Just double click it. Here is our content. It is just that simple. It's just that simple. I think you have seen how we have gone step by step.